Hello, family. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy E, the Dividend Passport Bro, back with another video on another day. we live to fight another day, guys. Okay. With that said, listen. Thanks to all of our subscribers, new subscribers, old subscribers. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching and sharing the content and liking the content. I'm 52. I make video about my portfolio, as you guys already know, and my portfolio alone. So do not take this as financial advice. Okay, guys. Um, what we're gonna talk about today. So the market closed about 19 minutes ago, but I've been doing some work, so I haven't had a chance to jump on the computer. But as you can see, Berkshire Hathaway, JP Morgan Chase, Tesla, Google, Apple, Broadcom, Cats, Costco, Waste Management, um, in the green, and in the red we have Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, CVX, ExxonMobil, Netflix, Pepsi, Coca-Cola in the red. Okay, so let's look at a little bit of crypto before we go down into my portfolio and see how the crypto market is doing. As you can see, crypto market is still down in the red. BNB is at $1,100. That's crazy. Remember that thing was way down. Okay, Solana is still going down, guys. You can see what's good here. A lot of this stuff, man. Guys, this is the best time to invest in crypto. Why this thing is fighting the way back? Because if you do, man, you got a chance to make some money. But this is not financial advice. You do what you want with your business. Okay, you see, Bitcoin is fighting back, trying to get back up. But we're gonna see what happens here. Okay. Now, after hours, this my little portfolio were able to make a little bit of money today, right? So far we at $8 and change. I mean, it's not bad. This is better than having a red day, but this is not bad at all. Okay. So guys, I didn't buy anything today. Of course, I haven't had a chance to. I don't have enough money in the portfolio. I couldn't transfer any money today to this account anyway, so we're gonna have to wait probably till next week before I can make any transfer to this account, as we're on our way to building this account up to $6,000. Um, I mean, I believe I should be able to get it to 6,000 by the end of the year. Um, I only got to add another 2,000, 800 in here. I mean, it's 2,800. It might be less than that by the time the distributions come in. Going on and on. I mean, I might not have to put that much in, but for right now, we're looking about close to about 2,700, 2,800, more or less, all right, to get this thing up to $6,000. And this is the goal for both of my smaller portfolio, as I try to build them up. Now, this thing here is doing whatever it does. And let me see here. Now, you guys know PLTY is now on the weekly. So we're going to be getting some distributions here this week. So we're going to see, I don't know if this thing's going to recover, but we're going to see if it does, right? We got to the end of the year to see if it's going to recover before I move this portfolio over. But for now, I mean, it's not too much to do. I got some cash sitting there, but I can't really buy nothing until we get our distributions in this week. So what I'm going to do, depending on how much distribution we get from these guys on Friday, I might just let it sit because I need to, you know what? No, when it come in, I'm just going to reinvest it back into the portfolio. I might just put into maybe get 1 or 2 W pays or something, or depending on how much come in, get a W pay or something like that. Put that money into something different. I mean, I still got till the end of the month to make the car payment. So, I mean, we're still going to build that up, right? I got about 20 some days, 25 days or so before I have to make another payment on my car. So we good there. But I mean, this is what we are right now. Uh, maybe we're up $14. That's not bad, right? We're gaining some some money back in this portfolio, and I might try to put some more cash in there to get it up to $1,000. But you know, work in progress. We got cash coming in this week, so by the end of the week, we got some distribution coming in. I don't even know what Alti is paying this week because I haven't had the chance to look at it. Usually I'll go and check the distributions, but I haven't had a chance to look at it. Uh, that's 15. I'm talking about Alti, PLTY. I'm talking about Alti. Let's see if, oh my goodness, so much stuff in here. So PLTY is paying 7 cents. PLTY is paying 7 cents. Okay. Um, that's crazy. I think, let me see what's the highest payer in here is HIYY. HOOY is paying $5, almost $6. Yeah, that's the only thing. Those two, the only thing in that decent. CBNY is paying $1.33. And then we got some other stuff down here. PYPY. No, that's RBLY $1, and then RBYY paying $1.40 and then WNTR is paying another $1.40. Guys, like I said, I haven't been paying attention to that because if I was paying attention, maybe I just would have sold this and buy HOY. I mean, but of course, I probably wouldn't have gotten that many shares to get that $5, almost $6. Um, but I got some HOY, so we'll see how they're gonna go. Okay. Into my cash management account. Everything back in the green. Guys, as you can see, this thing is close to 6,000, right? Close to 6,000. Only $1,500 more I need to add here to get this to 6,000. And this position is in the green. So it's good. We got some stuff in there that's red, but nothing crazy. Wish I can dig. Okay. So this is a work in progress. Adding more money to that thing. We already talked about this portfolio is down. Now, like I said before, I believe when I transferred my other portfolio over, I had some negative in there, and that it kept that information on that position. That's the only thing I can think about. So that's why it's like that. But eventually, we're gonna deposit enough money and to make up for this loss. We're gonna make up for this loss a little bit at the time. Right now, we down 11 grand, so we'll make up for that loss eventually. As continue to make adjustments to the portfolio for a longer term, right? Because these yield max products, they're not doing what they're supposed to do. Well, maybe they're doing what they're supposed to do. I don't know. But as you can see, my portfolio, my big boy portfolio, I have sold so many things out of the portfolio that the money has gone down, right? Which is cool. I'm not complaining, right? We got a positive in the portfolio, but as I sit here and look at this thing, man, I'm strongly. I know I say this every day. I'm strongly thinking about getting out of the margins, and that might happen sooner than later. Getting out of margins. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Okay, guys. So, but overall, I mean, we do have some income coming into the portfolio. Not a lot, but we got some income coming into the portfolio. Um, Not a lot. Now, next month, it's going to be even worse. Once I sell out of those other two positions, PLTY and Coney, my income will definitely drop some more. But it's all work in progress, guys. All work in progress. Okay. Now, future value, 6 million for 10 years, and 5 years, 1.2 million for 5 years. I don't think that's bad, right? I mean, this, of course, this is all estimated, guys. I don't know how you guys use spreadsheets. That stuff is annoying to me. Just my little, the little positions that I sold, try to put them in the spreadsheet so I can show it to you guys. That stuff was annoying. So I can't imagine me doing this every day, typing in numbers and stuff like that. I couldn't do it. So I'm too lazy for that. But this is what we are estimated in 5 years. And like I always say, if we can do half of this number, if we can get our position back up to what we're generating, about 500,000 a year, which we're not even going to need 10% of that money, I think I'll be in great shape. Okay. And of course, I'm always reevaluating things. So one day I'll be like, yo, I'm going to build some more properties. And then 2 years from now, I might decide, you know what, I'm not going to build no property, just resell those lands that I'm buying and keep it moving, because being a landlord, I mean, it's a different kind of stress. Making sure people are happy, people not tearing up your stuff. With this right here, I mean, once you accept the fact that you can lose money, and when it does happen, sometimes you just get numb to it. I've lost a lot of money to where it's like, okay, how much money I'm gonna lose today? But it's not like you put your money in there and hope you lose it, right? But you got to understand that part. Okay, guys, that's just my thought process. So, guys, with that said, this is what we have, and I hope you guys had a better day than me in the market today. My portfolio didn't lose money. You guys know, once my portfolio is not losing money, I am happy. Okay, because if my portfolio lose money, I don't like it. But going down to the nitty gritty, I mean, we live to fight another day. We started off good, and then the market went down, and then it came back. Now, after hours, it's a completely different story. But we'll see what happens tomorrow, guys. You guys have an amazing, amazing day, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. So, peace.